Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very basic and simple robot. Anyone can model this type of robot. Very basic and easy and simple robot with basic shapes. You know what I'm saying? So let's start. Let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our final image. So this is our final image. This is a very simple and basic robot. Anyone can model this type of robot in Blender. I am using Blender after a very long time, so I have modeled this simple robot. I have also modeled complex shapes in past. You can see my previous videos if you if you have if you don't believe me. So this is very simple robot I have modeled in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.